Today I'm going to show you how to assemble by yourself an all-in-one energy storage device with Force H3, the high voltage lithium-ion batteries from Pylontech with a 6 kilowatt hybrid solar inverter. Let's start the assembly right now. Now, let's talk about this new product, Pylontech Force H3X. In front of me, I have the single-phase unit. It is available in 3.6, 5, 6, and 8 kilowatts. It is an all-in-one system. As you can see, it is wire-free. We link the inverter and the batteries, the FH150 battery modules. They are all linked together with an internal busbar system. There is no wiring, external wiring. There is no need to set any dip switches or to make any adjustments. It is a plug-and-play system. What is so important about this system, and that's why I like it and I believe it is the safest option for residential installations, is the high voltage battery. The battery now is 100 volts. We moved from the 48. That's the newest technology of lithium-ion batteries. It's more or less like the electric vehicles that they use 600 to 800 volts. This is exactly what you have under your car seats, up to 800 volts electric vehicle batteries. So in this system, I have at the moment 3 batteries, that is nearly 300 volts, and I can connect up to 7 in one module. In one arrangement, I can have 7 batteries stuck together to create 35 kilowatt hours of energy storage with any single-phase inverter up to 8 kilowatts. We will talk about the 3-phase system in another video. It is a very safe solution because the charging and discharging current of this system is maximum 40 amps. So we don't have anything close to 100, 150, 180 amps. That was the case with the 48 volt systems. Right now, we increased the voltage, we dropped the current massively, and we made a lightweight, compact, smaller system that is ultra safe to operate in any residential area. It is suitable for indoor and outdoor use. It's IP55 protected. You can have it outside your house with a basic protection on top. It's not suitable for direct rain, but it has a level of IP protection, IP55. Let's look now at the input terminals. We have our communication terminals. We have the Wi-Fi antenna. You can run updates remotely. You can check your system remotely using the Pylontech Wi-Fi system. Here we have the backup and the grid connection. It's hybrid, off-grid and grid, and can also be set as a self-consumption unit. It communicates with major electricity suppliers like the Eon, the Octopus. There are some dynamic algorithms with the system that allows you to talk to the suppliers and charge on demand, charge and discharge on demand. On the other side of the unit, we have 2 independent MPPTs. As you see, PV1 and PV2, the isolation switch, and another isolation switch for the batteries. Everything is fully integrated. The only cables that you need for this unit are the solar cables, and on the other side, the grid cable. The energy meter is integrated with this unit in case you want to create a self-consumption system. You don't need an external meter. All you need is the current transformer to clamp it on the AC input of your property. As I said, in front of us, we have 15 kilowatt hours. We can create a group with 7 batteries in one group with one inverter on top, and then we can create clusters up to 250 kilowatt hours with the same methodology. Exactly the same setup can be multiplied numerous times to create larger energy storage devices. Thank you for watching this video. We will come back with more information how this system works in detail.